syncing with the seasons is something that I didn't even know it was a thing. But after all, you realize that's kind of what, like, subconsciously, that's what your mind does, that's what your body does, and mentally that's what you're doing, but you're doing it in your own unique way. 2020 was 2023, like last year, spring, like February, January, like February, March, April, them time, that was a time where I was literally looking at my surroundings and I was like, I need to make a complete 360. I need to change something in here. Like, my just environment wasn't, it just never did a give what I want to feel like. I don't know, it just felt like too much. And then that's around the springtime when you clean out things, you're decluttering. That's literally the time. It's called spring cleaning for a reason, and that's literally the time where we're decluttering the things. So for me, it's going through paperwork, going through clothes, kids stuff, my stuff. And one of the things that I wanted to do, I did mention it's 12 o'clock, so I went and got some lunch, something to eat, and just pick up something to eat. This is also why I'm glad I don't underestimate things, and I followed my mind, because I was telling myself I'm gonna start second week in April when the kids are coming from school, but that's not realistic because they're gonna be home and I won't have all the extra time. So I better start now, and by that time come, it's more like surface level cleaning. So because this, like, all those papers and stuff, I wasn't expecting all of that to throw up, plus all the things in here that I'm gonna have to give away and things like that. And then we're gonna get back to cleaning. Okay, it is now, it's bedtime for the kids and probably bedtime for me. I'm still not done, so back at it again tomorrow morning. So see you in the next clip. For some reason this year I was doing like deep decluttering. Like, I had things that were there from like 2012, 2010, pay stubs for 2010. Some of the pay stubs I kept, I don't know, it's like a memory, but like a lot of the things from years before, it was time to shred them. So I had lots and lots of papers, and when I was taking out these papers and shredding these papers and seeing how much bags of these papers, I was like, where did I get all these papers from? That's number one. And I didn't even know half that thing was in there, and I was going through these papers, and some of them were like junk mail. Some of them were mail that I literally don't need anymore. Like, I wouldn't need them in the future at all, and I just kept holding on to them. And this period in my life is where I'm learning how to let go of stuff that don't serve me. And sometimes we hold on to some things that we probably think, oh, this is just a paper or this is just a memory, but we're holding on to the energy from that point in your life as well. So for me just start get rid of everything. I don't want anything. If I don't want it, you don't serve me, you got to go. So that included, things in my environment. Like, I was just clearing out everything, looking around me and just clearing out everything. And that's where a lot of this paper that I was shredding came from. Like, this was just in one section, and I just kept pulling more. And then, once you're in that groove of getting rid of things, you just start seeking out everything. Like, what else can I destroy? What else can I get rid of? Because I'm clearing out everything, right? I'm clearing out everything. And on that note, let's get into clearing out even my closet, because I did a deep cleaning of my closet too. And when I tell you there were things in that closet that I knew deep down in myself that I would never wear, even if I waited 2-3 years from now, it had to go. While doing this though, I was like, I don't want to throw away everything, but I want you to throw away some things that I just put on and it just doesn't work for my body type, or I don't like the pattern, and I know I would not be able to put this properly with something that I like, because this is also the season that I was learning how to change my style and just find a style that suits me and make me happy. So there are some pieces that I know that I will never rewear with other things. Like, it just never makes sense for me to keep. So I went into that closet and I took out everything. My closet was so much lighter because it was so full in there of stuff that they were just taking up space. So I just started to but I just started to take things out like this. You gotta go. And with the style that I'm looking for, a lot of those outfits didn't suit it. So it was just time for me to get rid of them. And whatever is left are things that I know I can put with other things, or I'll continue to try to put with other things for as long as possible before I give them away as well. So that was my spring cleaning, and then even after that, that was for my personal closet as well. Like, even shoes, I was like, you gotta go. Once I was able to do that, then I decided, okay, what new things, or like what do I need to replace, or what can I get that I would like to hold on to for years. Here's the next box. This is the last box, Lyrian. The last one.
Like, how long have you had those things? How long have they been in those boxes?
Okay, so you see the one that was up here behind my closet? I think I've had that for about 3 years now in the box. And then I think 2 of these I got for my birthday last year, and then 1 for my birthday the previous year, and then Mother's Day. Yeah, I the first time I smell some of them, you know. Even this, the first time I smell it, I don't know what it smells like. It's a question.
You keep your shoes box for your sneakers as well?
Of course. Look, they're all in boxes. And that's when I got the aha moment. I was like, okay, it's March. This is the time that I'm actually going to go into a store and pick up things and pieces that I want, and not pieces that just because they're on sale. I'm going to say, yes, this item is on sale, but will it even fit my body type? Do I even like how it look? And that's what I did. And I bought stuff, tried them on, took them home. And some of them I was like, when I got home, I was like, no, I'm going to take more on this. I just returned them. I started doing that too. This is going into 2024, or just the future of my adulthood. I'm not keeping anything I don't want. No product, no nothing that I purchase. If I don't want it, no shame in carrying it back. As long as the store take it back, it's going back. I'm not keeping anything I don't want just because I don't want to be inconvenienced to take it back. Can it return? You're going back. Me not keep it because I don't want to. Dropping. I didn't come to get much, but I am changing my wardrobe capsule. Because I keep throwing out clothes, so I'm gonna try to find clothes that I can wear all the time. And Ross had a sale. Not that much of a sale, they didn't have no sale, so I'm gonna end up coming here and find something that I might like and maybe try it on. Yeah, so I would go in and I'll collect pieces that I wanted to put together. This is the time when I was, and this was also something very new for me. So like I said, you know, this was the beginning of me just doing different things, just being an adult and just vibing with myself. So I went into stores, I tried on some stuff, what I liked, what I don't like, and you know, I collected pieces that I knew I'd eventually wear. Like I can say, all right, I'll wear these things. This look nice, this look good for my body, this will go on with itself. You know, they will definitely keep me. Okay, on to the next one. This period of time also led to me discovering a lot about myself that I didn't know before. It opened up a part of me that I didn't know existed. This period in time is when I started to embrace a lot more of my soft feminine side. You know, that's when I was like, I can do this. I am 30 now. I can be like more of an adult. I don't know, for some reason that's when like the adult started to click in. That's number 1. Number 2, that's when I also was like, I needed to change. I can change up how I look without having to be like super flashy. Like I can change up how I look with what I have in my closet, and I could just purchase the pieces to add to these pieces that I have to create a different for me. That's literally just when I was like, I'm going to express myself and just do what I want to do to make me feel good, make a dress in a way that I feel looks good, make a, you know, that, I don't know, something about decluttering your house. Like it just clear up a different section of your mind, physically, mentally, everything. Like it just clears something up, and you start to, I don't know how to explain it, there's thoughts that you had before that you start to have now, like, all right, you know, may I declutter, may I fix up my house, may I fix up myself as well in that process. And I will say that was the best decision that I made, you know, in this period of time. It was the best decision was to declutter, get my mind right, and get just my appearance right. Because even though I started like that, as time progressed, it just got better and better. I just had the basic mindset of what I wanted to do and, you know, how I wanted to look and what I wanted my space to look like. And as time progressed, it just got better and better. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below with questions. And yeah, like the video.